Okay, what is good? What is good, people? We are live. Let me send the live stream to the Discord, of course, as always, right? As always. Okay. So, we should be open in 3 minutes, right? We don't trade the opens. We're here to see what the market is gonna bring us, right? So, Nasdaq had a pretty decent move to the upside, as you can see. Same with Dow Jones. I'm feeling good about this day, right? We're seeing some trending moves. That's what we like to see, right? Us being a trend breakout traders. That's what we like to see. We like to see these moves, right? These decent ass moves. Well, Dow Jones looks like might give us a sketchy time, but the Nasdaq, I'm loving it how it's looking, right? I'm loving the Nasdaq. So let's see if we can get some nice ass breakouts. My usual size is 10 contracts on DAX and 20 contracts on a Nasdaq, right? So let me check news. So we have some news coming in, right? But nothing crazy. Like final service PMI, yeah, that could shake the market a little bit, but not a lot. So we'll see what we're gonna do about that. But that's not a big problem because our strategy will come into play around 30 minutes after the open. So that's nothing serious. Factory orders, that's basically nothing. So just checking the news. Everything is looking okay. So we did have this flash crash on the Dow Jones, right? Now they're starting to recover it. Let's see if then can have a continuation high, right? Or this is the start of a downtrend. I think they're gonna continue higher. Look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks really fucking strong. So we are 1 minute before the open. So 30 more seconds and we are open. Let's see. Let's see. So FOMC member Cook just spoke. That's what shook the market. So I guess some bad news for the US economy. And I think we are open, right? That's the open. Yes, we are open. So Nasdaq trying to push higher. I think that's gonna go down right now. Dow Jones doing jack shit. Nasdaq trying to break out. Let's give them a little bit more time, right? Look at that flash crash. Look at that 5 minute candle, right? It's fucked up all the longs. Makes sense. But I think Dow Jones could go up higher. Nasdaq is rejecting over here. Let's not try to make any dumb decisions at this point, right? Okay, Nasdaq is breaking now. Nasdaq is pumping. It's moving. It's moving. Come on. Is it the first move fake out? Could be. This could be a fake out. It is really fucking tempting to buy the Nasdaq over here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to buy the Nasdaq over here. It was super tempting to buy this breakout. I'm glad I didn't. I'm fucking glad I didn't. Let me take my water. Be right back. Wait, I'm seeing something on Nasdaq. Nah, I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm gonna wait for my strategy to come into place, right? Let's not do nothing. I'm not here to entertain. I'm here to make money, right? That would have been a breakout position on a Nasdaq over here. So, but I'm not gonna take it. Where are my AirPods? Shit, are they dead? Pretty sure they're dead. Pretty fucking sure they're dead. So Dow Jones is looking pretty fucking baddish. I'm glad I didn't buy the Nasdaq over here. It didn't give us what we wanted. Dow Jones is looking weak. Are they gonna break this low? They're working on it. They're working on it. They're gonna shoot up. Nah. Yeah, they've been working on it. Yeah, look at Dow Jones. Look at that. Nasdaq is going too. Do I want to be a buyer? So today we have a pretty strong day. That's obvious, right? Pretty strong trending day. With these type of days, the open likes to be a little bit sketchy, a little bit range bound. So, so 20 more minutes until our edge is presented. Dow Jones came back, right? Nasdaq just shot up. So that Nasdaq position could have worked out, right? Damn, Nasdaq just doesn't stop, does it? Wow. So news will be coming out in around 3 minutes. Nothing crazy. We'll shake the market a little bit, not too much. I'm tempted to be a buyer of Dow Jones, but I think we should wait it out. That's the discipline, right? Disciplined trader. Hmm. Wow. Wow. Just keeps on pushing. So we're about to close the first 15-minute candle on the Nasdaq. They just look really fucking strong. Really, really fucking strong. They whipped it, zipped it, went up. Dow Jones is facing the resistance over here, which is an option to short Dow Jones over here. I'm so fucking tempted to go short. Let me just do one contract. And now stop loss at break even, right? No, just basically don't mind this position. I just saw it's gonna go down, right? How low? I don't know. We have no risk, so let me just have it. It was really fucking tempting. Okay, so first 15-minute candle just closed, and these charts tell different stories, right? Whole different stories. Well, we could expect Dow Jones to push up higher. That would make sense, right? Like once again, I'm gonna take like one contract position on. Don't copy these positions. They're just for me, right? They're just for myself. I'm just testing a few theories out. Testing a few theories out, right? Don't take those. Hey, yo, guys, trading is simple, right? Like, but with legit positions, we have to be patient, right? These are just uh, these are just for me, right? Don't copy these positions. Now you would have that stop loss at break even. Yeah, now you would have a stop loss at break even. Like, I don't care. They can stop me out, right? That's basically nothing. Let me get back to my usual size. That's the last position that I did with one contract. That's basically nothing. Just to test out the theory, right? And it clearly worked. Wait, that's two different charts on MT5 and MT4. Wait, and that's on 1 minute on both. Damn, that's two different charts. That's two completely different charts. Am I? Yeah. Like the spread is a little bit different. Or maybe because I'm on a different server, but it does look different. A whole different. Yeah. Like it is possible to short the Nasdaq, but I don't want to. It's just too aggressive. Right. It's just too aggressive. I wanna wait for better opportunities to ride the trend, right? I wanna wait out my moment and then pick a position where I can just hold it for hours and just ride the trend because we are obviously trending right now. It's a trending market, so that's what I wanna do. Let me sip some water. So 10 more minutes until our statistical edge is presented. I think Dow Jones will continue the same pattern, right? Hard selling off candle and then just coming back up after it, right? Just initiate sellers, come back up. Initiate sellers, come back up. I think that's what Dow Jones is gonna do. At least it's doing it as of right now. Nasdaq, I think same story. I think same story with Nasdaq. Just initiating the sellers and then bucking them up by coming back up. Makes a lot of sense, okay? I think Nasdaq will have a decent move a little bit later on the day. And now they're gonna give us a sketchy behavior. That's what I'm thinking is gonna happen, right? So I think good, decent trend move will happen a little bit later on. Although you never know, they might continue. Like the market is bullish, right? But traders are not rushing in. Like we're not seeing like crazy pumps, right? We're seeing decent trend to the upside with retraces, right? Look, they're repeating the same pattern, right? Fast aggressive push down, coming back up, aggressive push down, coming back up, aggressive push down, coming back up, push down, coming back up. Same with Dow Jones, push down, coming back up. Like we're not seeing what we saw over here on the DAX today. This pump, right? That's a move. That's a move, and here it's a little bit sketchy. It is a little bit sketchy. I'm just waiting for my opportunity. When you look at Dow Jones from a weekly perspective, it feels like they're gonna bounce, right? It feels like they had a retracement, now they're gonna come back up. This is what it feels like on a weekly on a Dow Jones. But yeah. So I think on a weekly chart we're gonna see a reversal on a Dow Jones. That makes a lot of sense. Now I'm just trying to find a good entry. Okay. So we are 30 minutes into the session, no positions taken. And that theory I was testing out with Dow Jones obviously worked out. That would have given you, I don't know, 100 point move on a Dow Jones, which is decent, right? I'm looking for positions that would let me have a smaller stop loss, right? As you can see, we're being patient here. We're waiting for that opportunity to come to us. We're not chasing the market. I'm looking for retracement in the Nasdaq. I'm looking to buy the Nasdaq, and now just waiting for it to present an opportunity. Want to see a flush out, right? I want to see them go down fast and buy around here, maybe around 21,000, 21,070, right? 570. So let's see if it's gonna give us that 590, 570, right? And that's a pretty solid candle on a Nasdaq. Oh, different charts. God damn it! Wow. On one of my charts it was a full close on a Nasdaq. Over here it was with the wick. Okay. I'm looking for a short in the Dow Jones. Of course, that would be a scalp. That would be a scalp. Okay, it's breaking it. Stand by on a Dow Jones for a long position. It is trying to break out. Dow Jones is trying to break out. I want to get a better filling price. We have our strategy in place. Are they coming back to the range, right? As of right now, I'm happy I'm not in longs, but I'm looking for them. Are they coming back into the range, right? I don't want to be a buyer of Dow Jones over here if they're coming back into the range. Look at the 15-minute candle, right? Like, feels like they could have a retracement. But we should be in longs. We should be in longs. Like, the stop loss would be too big for me. Okay. Shit. I'm buying Dow Jones over here. I've just bought Dow Jones. We're along in a Dow Jones. Stop loss should be Dow Jones is pushing. That's what I like to see. Dow Jones is pushing. That's what we like to see. Come on, Dow. Nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Lovely price action. Like, we could have that stop loss over here now. That's what we're gonna do. Nice clean push. Looks really strong. We're coming up to some resistance over here. But I think they're just gonna push through, right? At least we're hoping for it. I might be looking to add. Now we are around 40 points in profit. We could have that stop loss at break even. I'm adding to my Dow Jones position. I just added. I've just added to my Dow Jones position. Same stop loss. We're gonna be using same stop loss as on our previous position. So same stop loss. Like, we could have it a little bit lower. We've hit last week's high already. So they could do something nasty. Nasdaq is just stuck, as you can see. I would love to see this Dow Jones move. Like, yeah, we're seeing some profit, but I think this low is more significant. Maybe I should have that stop loss around this low. But as of right now, we're good. Stand by on the Nasdaq. Lowering my stake size on the Nasdaq. I'm lowering stake size by 50%. I'm looking for 21,600 to get in to the longs. And Dow Jones, I think, is gonna have a retrace. I think I'm gonna have that stop loss over here on both of the positions. I just want to feel safer. Okay, looks promising for Dow. Can he push? Can I keep on pushing? 30 more seconds. I want to see the push. Come on. Come on, Dow. Keep on pushing. That's what we like to see. Come on. Come on. Lovely. Come on, breakout. I think we should make new highs on a Dow Jones. I think we should be making new highs. Yep. Come on. Come on. I'll have my stop loss on a first initial position to break even. So first position's stop loss is at break even. I thought about taking profit. Like this, we still have an option to take the profit right here from the first position. But I'd rather have it at break even. Stand by on the Nasdaq for a buy. Buy Nasdaq over here. Just bought the Nasdaq. I'll have a pretty big stop loss on this one. So around 21,500. I'll lower it. I think I'll lower it. Like move up the stop loss. I'm looking for good levels. Okay, lovely, lovely. 570, 60, 68 is a good stop loss, I think, for the Nasdaq. Like 69. I really need to see this Dow Jones move. I really fucking need to see this Dow Jones move. I might not close these positions on a live stream if they do run. So I'll update you on a Discord, right? I think I think we can have that stop loss at break even on a Nasdaq, right? I think we can have it. Yeah, stop loss to break even on a Nasdaq. Just a little bit off pressure, right? From our shoulders. So stop loss at break even on a Nasdaq. Dow Jones is bullshitting, right? I want to see it move. And now they're just a little bit stuck over here. I think they're gonna move, right? But let's give it some time. I have that stop loss over here on the Dow Jones, right below this bar is low. I don't know how to feel about this Dow Jones. Like it did give us decent profit, right? We did see some amount of profit. Let me have a break even. Sometimes what you wish for is not gonna happen. And that's the retrace on the Dow Jones. I think the stop loss is not the best because they can easily stop us out and then come back up, right? Buying below prior bar low would make sense. This is what we did on the Nasdaq, and we got a winner. Now Dow Jones is giving us a nick. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get stopped out of Dow Jones first position, like just because we are so close to it, right? Unless we're gonna have a pump right now. I'm loving the Nasdaq, right? But I really need to see that Dow Jones go. That's what I really need to see, and they're not like. So stopped out probably out of the Dow Jones initial position. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out now. So stopped out from initial position. Yeah, they probably were getting the liquidity above last week's high, right? And now they're retracing. I'm not liking my stop loss at all. We probably should have taken the profit from the Dow Jones, right? I guess I could have taken the profit around 43,000, like 20, right? I think we're gonna get stopped out now. And uh, we're really fucking close being stopped out. Okay. Nasdaq is running at least. I could add to my Dow Jones position over here and then have a same stop loss, but it's just because the buyers are stepping in. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm buying. I just bought the Dow Jones over here. Let me have the same stop loss as on my initial position. Yep. And stop loss. Just because I saw buyers stepping in. Just because I'm seeing buyers step in right below this candle's low. Are we gonna see a fall through? I don't know. Nobody knows. Probably not. Probably not. Stopped out. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the Nasdaq to run, right? We have nothing to lose on the Nasdaq, so that's good. Ooh, on my one of my accounts, I did not get stopped out of Dow Jones. That's really good. Over here, I did, but on this one, I didn't. Right? On the other account, I didn't get stopped out. Nasdaq is looking good, right? Okay. Hmm. Mm, what can I say? what can I say? We have a decent runner on Nasdaq, right? Which I'm gonna be holding. Which I'm obviously gonna be holding. But just the fact that Dow Jones doesn't have enough liquidity to be bouncing at this point is annoying. It truly is annoying. I think I'm gonna end the live stream over here. I'm gonna manage the positions on my own. Oh, lovely. Come on, Dow Jones. Fucking bounce. We have a decent runner on Nasdaq, which I'm gonna be probably managing on the Discord. I'll update you on it. And what else? I think that's it, right? Let's hope this Nasdaq can run. I mean, I can sit here for a little bit. Dow Jones is trying to bounce here, but like not enough volume coming in. We need to see a lot more volume coming in at this point. Like this candle had some volume, right? But as we can see, not enough. And they're now breaking down. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, stopped out of Dow Jones. Wow, it just wicked us. Damn. Fucking nasty. I still want to be a buyer. Still want to be a buyer of Dow Jones. How many seconds do we got left? 9 more seconds. Is he gonna bounce? Okay, we're gonna take a risk on that one. We're buying Dow Jones over here. Gonna have a stop loss of pretty tight stop loss. Pretty fucking tight stop loss. Right at this low. We're just gonna give it one more chance. If it's like, oh yeah, not doing it. No, I'm not liking it. It's a little bit nasty. I could add to my Nasdaq over here, but I really want to see this Dow Jones playing out. I really do want to see it playing out. Could have a bigger stop loss, but yeah, we stopped out. Okay. Okay, so the Nasdaq is paying off a little bit. I'm not gonna touch the Dow Jones. Let me wait for my second setup because they have some liquidity down below to take. We gave it one last chance. It didn't play out. But it feels like the move to the downside is starting to stop, right? But this is nasty. It's nasty behavior over here. Nasdaq is obviously running. That's that's at least something, right? Let me wait for this Nasdaq to reach a certain point, maybe a live stream. I do want to end it and just manage it on my own, but let's wait it out. Maybe we're gonna take it out soon. Hmm. Ah, fucking hell, Dow Jones. I knew I should have had a little bit bigger stop loss. Fucking hell. Like literally 2 points or something, right? Literally 2 points. Again, this Nasdaq move 30 more points, and I'm gonna be probably closing it. Where did that head now? Oh yeah, I'm buying Dow Jones over here. I just bought the Dow Jones over here. That had decent amount of volume. This had decent amount of volume. I need to see the follow through. It's just rise, retrace, continuation higher. You could call it a double bottom also. We're buying this breakout. That had a lot of volume. Hoping for the test of the highs. And the 15-minute candle will be closing in 10 seconds. So let's hope they're not gonna revisit these lows, which they can. Which they easily can revisit the lows. We don't want that. We don't want to see that. Like, yeah, they can go as low as like 950, right? Easily. But that would shake me a little bit. That would shake me a little bit. Everything looks okay, right? Everything looks okay on Dow Jones. We bought it with double size. Nasdaq is pulling back a little bit, but nothing crazy. Like, they have this vector to recover, right? And I think they will try to recover it. At least a little bit. Yep, they're recovering it. We have to give it not a lot of volume, but that was a fast move. That was, oh shit. Now, what the fuck is going on right here? What are you trying to do over here, Dow Jones? You recovered that vector candle to the T, now you have to bounce. I will have a add-on if we break this high. I will have an add-on if we break this high. I just don't want to see them staying here too long, right? I want to see them move. I don't want to see them staying here. We don't want to see them staying here. They recovered. This had a lot of volume. This candle too had a lot of volume. Probably I should have that stop loss around that level. Around 920. So, like 19. I think that's going to be a stop loss and me done. For 2,919. They have to move, right? If they're not going to move, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it one bit. So we have a minute and a half until 5-minute candle closes. I want to see it close at the highs. They have like some time to do that. We have that add-on by stop, right? If they try to push it higher, I'm still okay with add-on, right? but I would like to see them being a little bit aggressive now. I would like to see them being a little bit aggressive. Come on. Now there is no point of having the stop loss that low. I'm gonna have it right here. I have that stop loss over here. Struggling. Hmm. Shit. Hmm. They're gonna be here. They're gonna. It feels like they're stuck. It feels like they're stuck now. It feels like they're not going anywhere. And our stop loss is about to get hit. And we're stopped out. And the Nasdaq is going down too. Maybe I do want to have an add-on on the Nasdaq. Let's see. This is turning into a pretty long session, isn't it? Or is it a top on the Nasdaq? I don't want to overtrade it. I don't want to overtrade it. Damn, the Dow Jones is just fucking nasty. Like they're arranging right now. And I'm adding to my Nasdaq over here. Just added to my Nasdaq. I'd rather not trade the Dow Jones when it's doing this nasty behavior. I added to my Nasdaq position. And I'll have that stop loss for both of the positions probably on this low. Around 21 650. Let me give it one more chance for Dow Jones. I'll be quick to exit it. I'll be relatively quick to exit the Dow Jones. If they don't do it, like 36 might be my stop loss. I'm gonna exit it manually. I'm not gonna wait it out till they hit the lows. They have to push right now, right? That's what I want to see. Okay, it's not doing it. I'm out. It's not doing it. Nasty. Fuck, this could have been such a good session. Like, morning session could have been juicy. Also, this session we were up like 1.2k. Didn't take profit. Maybe I'm getting a little bit too greedy. Maybe I am getting a little bit too greedy. Shit, the Dow Jones is just giving me buy signals. And it might just rip it, right? One more chance for Dow Jones. Because if we are in the range, they should bounce right now. This is a range market. I'm adding again. Adding to the Dow Jones again. I'll be really quick to exit it. They have to push right now. So little. Fucking hell, such a small volume. Not liking it. Nice. Don't fucking play any jokes with me right now, fucking Dow Jones. I'll have that stop loss on my initial entry. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oof. Shit. Shithole. Fucking shithole. Fuck you. Fucking Dow Jones. Snap. Fuck yourself, Dow Jones. The second you give me hope is just gonna take it away. Shithole. Out. Stopped out. Like they're working the lows so fucking hard, but not making a push. I'm buying Dow Jones over here, but not making a push. I'll exit it manually if they start to reverse right now. They're working the low so hard. They're working those lows so fucking hard. It's pissing me off. I should stop trading now. That's the conclusion. Pretty sure that's the conclusion. I should stop trading. after we exit this position. Fucking hell, give it to me. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, that's it. Fuck you, Dow Jones. What can I say? As that Nasdaq did give us some lovely price action. But the Dow Jones, this behavior took it all away from us. Nasty. Oh, well. So fucking funny. Isn't it, Dow Jones? You're so annoying. Little shit. Look at the Nasdaq. Do whatever Nasdaq did, and you're just fucking around over here doing jack shit. Okay. Oh shit, I don't have a position over here. I don't have a Dow Jones position over here. Don't tell me that. Holy shit, didn't place it on this. I have it on my other screen, but whatever. So we're in a Dow Jones longs. Wow. Wow. I think it's gonna keep on pushing lower now. Come on, bounce, bounce your ass up. Yeah, I have to be out. Closing the Nasdaq too. Closing the Nasdaq too. Okay. Dow Jones, their fucking ranges, right? We should have stick with our strategy. And well, either way, I hope you learned something, right? Check it out. Wow. Okay, that's me done. Okay, I think that's me done. Not the best session at all. At all. I don't want to talk about it, to be honest. Don't want to talk about it. The fuckery we did here with Dow Jones is nasty. We played ourselves. That was bad trading over here. That was really bad trading over there. So And yeah, that's me done. Take care, guys. Peace out. All love.